Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply makeup to your selfies on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button to select the picture that you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen until you find this makeup option. And here you can apply filters to your photo. If you tap on the makeup for option, you can see how it looks like on your picture. If you go further, by sliding to the right side of the screen, you can see that you have many other makeup options such as applying contouring, blush, eyelashes, eyebrows, eyeliner, foundation, and other makeups as well. You have a bunch of options, but you need to purchase the premium to use these other filters. But makeup 4 is available for everyone, so tap on the apply button down below to apply the filter and then you will be able to save it. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.